Hey there, this video is going to be another keyboard B-roll showcase. This time it will be the Massdrop ALT mechanical keyboard. But before that, as usual, a quick overview first. So let's get started. In the box you get the keyboard, Type-C to Type-A USB cable, 2 detachable magnetic feet, a keycap puller, and a switch puller. Certainly some unique pieces there. Taking a closer look at the keyboard, it is a 65% keyboard, so while it's compact, it still has dedicated arrow keys. It also has a solid aluminum shell, hot-swappable switches, the one I have here is Cherry Amex Brown, but others are available, RGB edge and switch lighting, and 2 USB Type-C ports, so you can use the extra one to plug something in, though it is limited to USB 2.0 speeds. The only other non-visible thing to note is that it is fully programmable through QMK. So overall, I think that it is a solid and very nice looking keyboard that is also super easy to customize. And with that, let's go on to the B-roll.